Okay, so we're going to go over number 9. And on this, when I went over it the first time, we just got our math a little bit wrong. So we'll just make sure that we go through really slowly and check our math with calculators as we go through. Okay. So again, the place that I want to look for, because I know that I'm going to be using elimination, I need to look for a place where I can make two of these numbers the same number. And 10 and 8 seem like the good place to go, where I can make them both 80 pretty easily. So to start with the top one, I'm going to multiply everything by 8. And I'll just rewrite it over here. So 8 times negative 9, make sure I get my calculator, 8 times 9, so negative 72 x. 8 times 10 is 80, so plus 80y equals 22 times 8, or negative 22 times 8 is going to be negative 176. And I'll just switch colors. Let's do green. Now I have to do the bottom one. So in this case, I need to get a negative 80 because positive 80 and negative 80 cancel each other out, and that's where we're going to be doing our elimination. So this time I'm going to multiply everything by negative 10 because I know negative 10 times 8 is going to give me that negative 80 that I'm looking for. So this time I do negative 10 times negative 7. It's going to be positive 70x. Negative 10 times 8y is negative 80y equals, and then negative 18 times negative 10 is positive 180. Okay, so I have these going. Now I just add them together, right? And this is how far we got last time with no mistakes. But where we add with our negatives, that's where we can get in trouble. So we just got to make sure we're using our calculator. So negative 72x plus 70 is going to be a negative 2x. 80 plus negative 80, 0. So I don't even have to worry about that. So I'm going to skip it and go straight to these guys. Now this is where I'm going to use my calculator. Negative 176 plus 180 is 4. So I think we said 16 last time. So 4. And then divide by negative 2 on both sides. You get x equals 4 divided by negative 2 is just negative 2. Much nicer answer. All right. And then we just plug it in. I'm going to get an even different color. I can choose either one up here. I'm just going to choose that. Let's choose the top one. Why not? So I'm going to do negative 9. It's negative 9x, but I know x equals negative 2. So negative 9 times negative 2. Scroll over my screen. And then plus 10y equals negative 22. Negative 9 times negative 2 is 18 plus 10y equals negative 22. Subtract 18 from both sides, I get 10y equals negative 22 minus 18. Use my calculator. Is negative 40. Divide by 10 on both sides, I get y equals negative 4. All right. Write it as a ordered pair. I'll just do negative 2, comma, negative 4. I hope that cleared things up a little bit. I think big key takeaway is if you notice a weird answer, go back and just check your math. Whip out your calculator. Make sure that you're doing all of these calculations correctly, because just something as small as getting one addition or subtraction problem incorrect messes up your whole dang equation. So pay attention to that, keep going, and then reach out with any questions. All right.